Based on the picture, what are some of the possible sounds that you can hear? Can you imitate these sounds? All the things that surround us is called environment. Our environment is full of sounds and movements. Sounds are what we hear around us. We listen to different sounds using our ears. These sounds may come from animals, objects, people, and nature. Look at the following pictures. Imitate the sounds that they produce. Now, it's your turn. Now, it's your turn. Now, it's your turn. Now, it's your turn. It is not okay to always listen to sounds, especially loud ones. Sometimes we need to have some silence and give our ears a rest. Silence means there is no sound. It is when music stops or is at rest. Examples are however, sounds make music beautiful. Music is a beautiful sound produced through singing. Singing brings joy, so does playing musical instruments.